called Siggy, and I'm the chief pilot for the Icelandic Coast Guard. The history of the Coast Guard is fairly complex. I recommend the book. Will become 100 years old in a few years, and it started actually out as a rescue vessel south of Iceland for fishermen. And today we have large Coast Guard vessels and 3 helicopters and 1 airplane. All of our 225s are equipped similarly. It's a standard search and rescue equipped 225, as you would be able to see pretty much from other search and rescue operators. We have a standard IFR setup. In addition to that, we have dual hoist, electrical and hydraulic on 2 aircraft, and dual electrical on the third one. We have a FLIR camera, Westcam on the nose. We have a searchlight tracker beam on all of our aircraft. Inside we have a fairly decent Euro 7 setup, as well as a standard medical kit. So any missions beyond 10 minutes offshore, we need 2 helicopters. Any mission beyond 150 nautical miles from offshore, we require 2 helicopters and 1 airplane. And the airplane is used as top cover, which means that it goes ahead of the helicopters to find the best route, weather, finds the vessel, and maintains communication.
Yeah, the recruitment and the manning side is probably quite different from other companies. We luckily tend to keep our people. People are happy here. They're happy with their tasking and their jobs. The crew has, maybe an average working period for the Coast Guard, maybe 10 to 20 years, which is fantastic in this environment. So it's a great benefit to keep the staff. It's a very complex operation. We are not only doing search and rescue, we do aerial work, sling work, patrol flights, law enforcement. So it takes a lot of time to train people to be competent and confident in what they're doing. The primary role of the Coast Guard is maritime search and rescue. Our secondary mission is to take care of HAMS and ambulance lights, and we're supposed to help with places that are out of reach by cars or foot, and help emergency companies inland as well. We're building masts and equipment for broadcasting and radios and so forth on top of the mountains, and helping the law enforcement inland as well. So it's quite complex. I would say the percentage between inland and offshore is changing a bit. We used to be about 70-80% offshore, but that is changing, mainly due to increased safety over the waters and more tourists inland. So I think the tasking is getting more frequent inland. So it's a lot of inland work.